Just 80 seconds, and watch what one cigarette triggers inside your body.
The damage begins the moment toxic smoke enters your lungs.
In seconds, tar coats your lungs, reducing oxygen flow. Nicotine enters your bloodstream almost instantly, triggering a chain reaction. Your heart beats faster, and blood vessels tighten, raising blood pressure. Nicotine reaches your brain in seconds, releasing dopamine, creating temporary pleasure and addiction.
Reduced oxygen makes your cells work harder under stress. Your liver rushes to filter toxic chemicals, but not all damage is immediately reversible.
Your immune system weakens, increasing inflammation and long-term risk.
The liver works hard to process excess sugar, converting some of it into fat. The pancreas releases insulin to control the sudden sugar spike.
Is the domino effect of one cigarette. Temporary stimulation, long-term damage.
If you like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.